What is this? A vegetable garden style party? What an amazing event! Oh no, it's just a salad. It's so delicious. This day is way too long. I can't wait to get home. I can barely keep my eyes open. So much to do. Maybe some espresso will help? Oh, my cup is empty again. It's time to make some more. What a wonderful smell. Hey, hi. I smell really good, don't I? Perk up. You all need to perk up now. Woohoo! Do you feel it? I'm a pure energy source. Delicious! Now you'll feel better. It's time for you all to work. Hurry up! Hurry up! Time is money. That's better. Now you can do it. And now time for a party. Come on, get lit. We have enough strength to do everything. No, we can do anything. Ice cream. It looks so delicious. What an interesting taste. It seems like something is missing. Here I am. Here you go. Oh, sauce. Just what I need. I'll add some more. Of course. Don't be shy. Put some more. It'll be very tasty. Oh no! Why am I so dirty now? It's all spilling over. Too much topping. Wait, I think I'm melting. Hold me! I have to lean on you. Oh man, it melted again. Someone give me a napkin. I love Nutella. Oof, why is it so hot? It's like I'm in a tanning bed. Somebody turn down the heat. It's better in glasses. It's like I'm on the beach. Oh no, where's the smoke coming from? Am I burning? Help! Get me out! Hurry up! It's almost too late. Oh, the croissant with chocolate is ready. So delicious. Oh, fresh air? I am literally steaming hot. Wonderful. It's freshly baked. It will be great for breakfast. And it's so soft. The dough turned out perfect. Hey, don't push so hard. Be careful, otherwise you might ruin my body. What a great party. This is an amazing night. The music is perfect. I think it's time for a snack. Hey. Oh, chips! You are right on time. Come on in. Make yourself at home. That's a great flavor. Yum! Help yourself, guys. Don't hold back. It's all for you. This is a cool party. Keep up the good work. High five. See you later. I will definitely be back. Today, we are going to be watching a great movie. But without snacks, it's not even interesting. Chips, come sit with me. That's better. I can have a snack. The plot is amazing. So many unexpected twists. Wait, who's this? Popcorn? How come you're here? Excuse me, Chips. I think you should go. No way. We are in the middle of something. You took my seat. The movies are my territory. So get out. Guests, help yourselves to popcorn. Come on, that's enough for everyone. This is much better. It's exactly what you need for a good movie. Amelia, you look so good today. Thank you, Alex. Look, I ordered this nice dress for myself. Yes, of course. Just a second. I think I need to freshen my breath. More gum. That's enough. Oh, what a big bubble. Oops, something went wrong. So how do we remove it now? Wait, don't move. I'll think of something. What did you say? No, everything's fine. Go on. Oh no, where did it go? That's it, it's over for me. Oh, what a beautiful bubble. No, don't do that. Why did it pop? And where am I now? Oh no, there's no way out of this jungle of hair. Will I stay here forever? Well, I guess we had some fun. This is such a cozy apartment. There's a whole kingdom of cheese here. But it's not very comfortable on the top floor. Yes, and a little boring. I don't know, girls. I'm happy with everything. So, what should I eat? Oh, mozzarella is what I need. Why does no one want to eat tofu? That's so unfair. Don't you agree, blue cheese? I don't know. I think my smell will win someone's heart sooner or later. Ma'am, are you coming for me? You have excellent taste. I can see you are an intellectual. Yes, you made the right choice. Hey, what about me? Why not me again? This is horrible. I'm gonna die alone. Oh, I think someone's coming. I'm here. Look at me. So, what is this? Oh, perfect. Come on, hurry up and take me. Finally. It's so nice to read in a cozy chair. Brr, it's cold. Oh, cocoa with marshmallows. That's what will warm me up. Mmm, yummy. What could be more beautiful than this? Hot cocoa and marshmallows are the best. Poor thing, you are completely frozen. Here's a blanket. Don't freeze. And your feet should be covered. And I will be next to you. It's so cozy. Read, I won't distract you. What a cutie. I think it's time for someone to take a nap. Sweet dreams. It's great weather for a picnic. So, what do we have here? A hamburger! Perfect! It's time to eat! Soda! Perfect! This is the best invention ever! What's next? French fries! They're even better with ketchup! Let's try it! Great! And I think I still have dessert. Well, no, another time. I ate. Now I can rest. Oh, hey, Soda. Hello, Hamburger. Nice to see you. It's been so long. You and I are a great team. Let's start the party. Hi, it's me, a dessert. Can I come with you? Hey, can you hear me? What's wrong? Where are you going? What about me? I'm fast food too. So much ketchup. I love it. And the smell, it's delicious. So, want to start? Get ready. Do you have what you need? Dive in. I am so delicious. Friends, wait for me. Hey, where are you all going? Why am I alone again? This isn't fair. Oh, Chinese food. It smells amazing. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Chopsticks. It's even tastier that way. I love noodles. Here we go. That's perfect. No one has invented anything tastier. I'm on cloud 9. I really could eat this all day. Hey, what's going on? Be careful with your hair. So restless. Well, it's time for me to eat too. tasty! Hey, wait! Let the noodles absorb the sauce. That's how it always is. I feed them, and they take the last bite. Did you like our sketches about food? And what foods can you not live without? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss more funny videos from Troom Select.